Hello, everyone. Welcome to this beginning introduction to a conversation with the principle of Sophia. This is an unprecedented time in our world and an opportunity to explore new territory because of that. For me, that territory involves the opportunity to be deeper in my silence, deeper into the quiet, more connected to nature. And perhaps looking at the things in our life and our life expression that each of us knows we need to be paying attention to, but might need a little support along the way. The intention in doing this 21-lesson course, and especially starting it at this time, is that it has everything to do with how do we want to show up in the relationship with the sacred feminine. And just to discern that, to me, when I say feminine, it's not in any way an exclusivity of feminine female over masculine male. We each carry within us this balanced exploration of both these principles. And we live in a world that is predominantly masculine driven. And looking to find the ways that the feminine can come into a balance and a harmonic with that, much like the dynamic principles of the yin-yang, or that symbol, right? That's the dynamic essence of masculine, feminine working together, first within ourselves, then within community and the world. So this challenge is designed to bring a little more focus on some of the principles that one could say, looking at the planetary dynamics right now, where we are strong military, strong industrial, taking more advantage of Earth's resources than certainly we are not as equally in partnership with them. So this principle of exploring the four elements of the feminine body being of earth, air, fire, water, with that component of love as the essential fifth, is one of the things that we'll be emphasizing in this conversation. Each of you, each of us will find the dedication and what works for us as the next step along this path. It's meant to be supportive. There'll be inquiries, exercises, and that will help each of us, myself included, in this stage of my life. What do I need to be focusing on right now to further that sense of both self-awareness, but then how self-awareness can evolve into a community sacred activism. When I first started doing these programs, it felt like enough that we were working with climate change and the degradation of planetary resource and impoverishment and the many demands of life at this time, and now we get to add a pandemic to that, and who knows where this pandemic is going to lead us in terms of global infrastructure, global finances, all those things that are so unknown to all of us. But I heartily and wholeheartedly believe that when we can focus in on what is ours deep within and believe that there's an intelligence that guides us, that we can find inner resources. One of the inner resources I know I'm particularly engaged with right now and will bring into this course is how do we look at the neurobiology that allows us to shift something in our habit patterns and the plasticity that is coming more and more to light, the way that we can work with shifting habits, with focusing on creating new habits in a way that the neurobiology and the neuroscience within our own inner workings can be strongly influenced, along with how that comes into consonance with the heart. So these are some of the things we'll begin exploring together. I look forward to meeting you all on more webinar platforms. We will have an introductory phone call upcoming on Thursday, the 9th, just in 2 days. And from there, we'll begin the course on April 12th And it will be comprised of 21 lessons. Each lesson you will have the opportunity to do in your own time frame. And that would give us the opportunity to do 3 lessons a week. So it'll take us 7 weeks to move through this whole process together, and enough integrating time that hopefully it'll be like touch points along the path. And towards the end of it, we'll begin to fold into some of the other community members around the Star House who are also engaged in different aspects of global and working with the Star House as a template. So I look forward to speaking to you more. Bless you. Bye.